That is one big gaping hole. It's been roughly 2,519 days since the Fujifilm GFX 50R was originally released, and today I finally have one. My name's Timmy Smalls and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my second-hand Fuji GFX 50R. Now these cameras, they are not easy to find these days. And that could be due to the popularity just of Fuji cameras just in general. But I've been looking for a Fujifilm GFX 50R for about 6 weeks to 2 months, and I nearly bought one about a month ago, 3 weeks ago, but it just slipped out of my hands and I wasn't able to secure it. So I went on to eBay just to have a look, and turns out there was an eBay listing which was ending in 12 hours, which was the following morning. So I jumped on that and I put my final bid down at the last 30 seconds and I won it, and I got it for a reasonable price. Now these 50Rs at the time of filming range from mates rates, maybe about $2,800 AUD, which I've never seen any sell for that recently, right up to about $3,700 for maybe a retail version out of a secondhand camera shop with potentially a low shutter count. So I scored mine for just over $3,000, and I think that's a pretty good price considering they are pretty popular and pretty scarce. So in this video, this video is basically just for me, really. I just want to share my unboxing experience with you. I've been watching my Oz post tracking all day and I just missed it, but I just got into the post office with about an hour left to spare. So, well, let's get straight into it. Let's open this up. Now, I hope I'm not getting scammed here. And if I am gonna get scammed, then that'll be a cool video anyway. But yes, I did buy it off eBay. I really did want to buy this Fuji camera from someone in person, but there's just not many around. And buying through eBay is fairly safe as you've got the buyer protection. And I thought, you know, why not? The photos looked good, and now I've got to figure out how to get into this thing. So the photos did look good. The seller was a little slow in communication because I think he was working offshore, and it came from Broome. All right, firstly, charger. So these run the old Fujifilm batteries, which I don't think you can buy any more first party ones anyway. All right, let's see how we are looking for packing. So packing is okay. Would have preferred a bit more. It's pretty poor packing actually, just a couple rolls of bubble wrap. Anyway, here it is, my first initial thoughts. Wow. This is my second time holding a medium format camera. When I had a look at that one on Facebook Marketplace, I did hold it for a few minutes, but I didn't get a good play with it. So it comes with one battery, and I assume he did say 2 batteries, and the other one is in there. That must be the original battery. And it's good. It's nice and large, especially coming from the X-T5, which I'm shooting on at the moment. It just feels like a big DSLR. I mean, it's arguably about the same weight as my Canon DSLRs. And it's in really great condition. There's no scratches on it that I can see. A couple of scuffs. Maybe I can give you this camera. Can you see there? Probably not. Anyway, stupid. Mind you, this Fuji X-T5 for video, I'm not that happy with. But anyway, that's another story. Wow. So now where did I put that other lens? My Midicon. And I also have a Nikon F adapter with the Nikon 200mm because I've got a Nikon FE film camera, so I was trying to utilize the lenses that I already have. Now let's have a look at this sensor. Hopefully it's not scratched to shit. And it looks beautiful. Take a look at that. Come on, Fujifilm, get it in focus. There we go. That is one big gaping hole. And that is a beautiful hole. A beautiful looking sensor. I'm going to have a lot of fun. So let's turn it on. Hopefully that it actually turns on. And it's not turning on. Maybe we need to change the battery. And hopefully it's not just a flat battery. Hopefully it is just a flat battery and not a totally malfunctioning. Ah, no, here we go. Yay, it works. One thing I do love about the 50R is the shutter noise, and let's hear it. Ah, let's do it in a 30-second. Hang on. Ready? This is 4,000th of a second, mind you. Oh yeah. It's got that mechanical feel, and I love that because the Fuji X-T5 has the tiniest, weakest sounding shutter that I don't like it, to be honest. And I'm really enjoying the size of this. I miss the size of my DSLRs, to be honest. So this feels really, really good in the hand. So let's just adapt the Nikon Nikon F glass, and that's the Nikon 200mm on that. And it feels pretty good, eh? Not too hefty. Yeah, nice. Wonder how much coverage we get. That's cool. There is no there is no vignetting, which is great. So that's the 200mm, which is about 158mm full frame equivalent. Wow, I'm very, very, very impressed by this. Very, very happy. Look at that bloody thing. Look at that. She is huge. And the beautiful thing about the Fujifilm 50R is that you can adapt it. A lot of people are looking at these now because of the GF, is it the GF100? The RF100, which not everyone wants 100 megapixels, and because of the limited fixed lens, I think it's a 28mm and f4, there's not much flexibility, although it does produce very sharp and detailed images. The reason I chose this, I mean, I wasn't even in the market for an RF100, is that what they're called? Just because of the price, I really can't afford it, but this just makes a lot more sense because you do have the flexibility of being able to adapt, and I can slowly move into the GF lens line over the years. I'll probably start with the 50 3.5 or potentially the 45. And I might use this for a few weddings. If I could get a 35 equivalent, which would be the 45, I think this could be a great camera for weddings. Wow, wow, wow. I've been waiting all day and it's finally here and I'm so bloody happy. Anyway, there's going to be a lot of content on this channel using the 50R. Some photo walks, first impressions. So drop me a subscription if you like what you saw today. I only have 8 subscribers at the moment, so do feel sorry for me. And we will see you on the next one. Thank you. Cheers.